What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in this video, we gonna put the magnifying glass on the Lebron Nike Dunk Low Fruity Pebbles. Now, Bron's not new to this. Since I think his fourth sneaker, he's been doing a Fruity Pebble theme. That's just his thing. It's real known that that's his favorite cereal, so that's why he keeps going to the Fruity Pebble joints. In the comment section below, let me know what's your favorite cereal. I haven't ate Fruity Pebbles since I was like maybe 8 years old, but it was good when I was that young. But these sneakers, man, colorful, but nice. Big gripe, it's not an SB, but I'm so happy we finally got a collab that actually says the collab name. Fruity Pebbles there. I'm happy, man. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, LeBron's a big fan of Fruity Pebbles. I like the Dunk Low, guys. I really like this, man. I know I ain't been consistent. As you can see in my background, we got a lot of reviews to get to, man. So I don't want to make this too long. Let's unbox this. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your OG Nike Dunk box, dark red or dark orange. And as I told you in the beginning of the video, it's not an SB. So that's why you get this box here. Regular OG box. But if you look in the back, you got WB there. Warner Brothers. So I'm under the impression that Warner Brothers owns Fruity Pebbles. And that's why it was so easy for us to get the real collab with the Fruity Pebble name. As you know, LeBron done did Space Jam. That's Warner Brothers. Things of that nature. So I think that's why that was easy. And we got like a full collab and not a Nike SB collab where we know the colors, but we never see the logo. Flip open the lid. Regular OG tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. So let me give y'all a 360 view before I say anything. Let y'all see all the colors. Now, when I first opened the box off the back, this reminded me of the Nike SB Bart Simpsons, color-wise. But when you get more into the sneaker, you see how it distinguished as its own. So first off, we got a Nike swoosh right there. Nice blue colorway. I like this blue. It's not like a regular blue we always see. I like that blue. Inside that blue is some white sandwich color block in there. And if you look close, it does have tumbledness, guys. More tumbledness on the inside than the outside. But I think that's because the outside leather has to be more stiffer, as the inside to support your feet is way more softer. But it does have that tumbleness, guys. Get to the back of the shoe now. That's where you got your LBJ, LeBron, King, Nike logo there. One of the best, man. I still like Kobe's, but this is one of the best. Anytime you put a crown on something, then you can put your initials. Super dope. You got the L, you got the J, you got the King crown. I really like that. That's on the back. Again, when I told you about that Bart Simpson colorway, this is all here. That's what made me connected to the Bart Simpson. You got that nice blue, the yellow sandwiched inside the red. The bottom, your regular white Nike material white, but we'll get into that. Let's go to the toe box. white milky toe box. I must say milky because it's a cereal, Fruity Pebble. So Nike wants us to say milky. This is a milky white. Nice toe box, guys. Soft leather, guys. Real soft. Let's get to these colorful shoelaces. A lot of Fruity Pebbles on them, man. Whole bunch of Fruity Pebbles. So purple's there, yellow's there, red there. It's just like a carnival, like confetti. All those colorways are there. But if you don't want to be too loud, you do have purple, you do have white. So you don't have to go with the colorfulness. I like the lake of purple, guys. I like the lake of purple. Y'all know. The tongue. Your OG Nike Dunk mesh nylon tongue, I guess, with the Fruity Pebbles logo. I'm so happy we finally got a real collab, guys. Fruity Pebbles there in the original font from whenever it came out back in the days. That is present on a white tongue with red in the back. And let me see what it reads back here. Yeah, the same thing, nothing different. I thought it would have like some WB situation. But same thing, white tongue, colorful shoelaces. I showed y'all the swoosh, but now look under. You got that clear, transparent, clear material at the bottom. In my opinion, when you pour a glass of milk, it looks just like this, guys. In my opinion, it looks just like this, guys. And that's all the way around to the bottom. If you've seen one Nike SB Dunk, high or low, regular Nike Dunk, Air Force Ones, they all look like this, but I like this clear look. It kind of look like it will glow, but it's not really present like that, but it does look like it could glow. This is the right shoe here, and on the right shoe, you can see more of the tumbleness now that I'm thinking about it. That last one was the left shoe. I don't know if I said right or left, but that was the left shoe, guys. But I just want to give y'all more look at the leather. It looks like the leather's cracking on the red towards the back. This is premium, man. This is nice. So let's get to the inside. This is dope. I love when they pay attention to detail this much. The inside has a whole bunch of Fruity Pebbles. Same like the shoelaces in the inside with the Nike Air logo. I think that's dope. This side also says the Lebron logo also. So they didn't change it. One side is Nike. One side is LBJ. They both say Nike. I kind of like that, man. But they could have switched up and gave us like a yellow swoosh or something back there. But dope. Yes, sir. So that was an in-depth review of the LBJ Fruity Pebble Nike Dunks. Retail was what, 110 or 120? Right now you could get them on StockX and GOAT for like 130 to 140. So the hype is not there for this sneaker. I think people need to see it in hand. Once they see it in hand, I think they will kind of have some more love for this sneaker. I like it, man. It looks just like the Nike SB Bart Simpsons to me. The only difference is it's not an SB. But it's okay when you add the real Fruity Pebble material. Like, it makes the sneaker pop, man. Let me know if y'all was able to cop these. Are you looking to cop these? Like I told you, it's only $10 over retail right now if you act fast. I do believe this sneaker might be $180 to $200 sneaker come Christmas time. But I like these, man. And LeBron's a Laker, so I'm not going to have too much bad to say. I love the tumbleness of the leather in all aspects. The white, the red, the yellow. It all has some creases and some character to it. I do have too many glue stains. I can tell you that. There's too many glue stains in this sneaker, man. But I'm digging it, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Listen, hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's some fire coming later this week. Everybody, get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.